Have you ever ended a long day feeling your heart heavy, empty, or restless? Tonight, spend 5 minutes with me as we explore 9 gentle Buddhist teachings that help you end your day with deep self-love and peace of mind. 1. Mindful breathing, grounding the night. As you lie down, take a slow inhale and exhale. I have lived today. Mindful breath anchors you away from busyness and back to yourself. 2. Acknowledge your effort. Silently affirm, thank you, self, for trying today. Every effort, big or small, deserves appreciation. And that's your first act of self-love. 3. Embrace lingering emotions. If you feel restless, sad, or anxious, don't fight it. Say, I am here with you. Acceptance opens the doorway to inner compassion. 4. Let go of expectations. Exhale, I release today's pressures. This isn't surrender, it's granting yourself the freedom to rest. 5. Meditation, sending love. Inhale, may it be peaceful. Exhale, may I be loved. Repeat 3 to 5 times to invite your heart to receive your own kindness. 6. See yourself as a friend. Reflect on mistakes, ask, would I be harsh to a friend? You'd offer kindness. Speak loving words to yourself too. 7. Recognize impermanence. Acknowledge today's ups and downs, nothing lasts forever. Understanding impermanence allows your mind to settle. 8. Practice gratitude. Before closing your eyes, recall 3 things you're grateful for: a smile, a warm meal, a moment of silence. Gratitude fills your heart with love. 9. Allow yourself to rest. Finally, place your hand on your chest. Breathe deeply and say, I give myself permission to rest. It's the softest self-gift you can offer tonight. Sparkles by practicing these 9 steps. You're not just ending the day. You're cradling your soul into sleep with self-love, preparing for a refreshed and vibrant morning. If this video brought you peace, comment I sleep within love to spread the positive energy. Hit like if you believe in the power of inner love. And if you'd like weekly gentle meditations and Buddhist insights to heal your emotions, subscribe and tap the bell. Together, let's learn to close our day, love ourselves and live fully, moment by moment.